Now, let's go deeper and talk about the actual workflows Americans are using. Because this is where everything becomes real and practical. Many people think freelancing with AI means sitting all day prompting tools, but that's not how successful freelancers work. They design simple systems that repeat every day. Once the system is set, income becomes predictable. Take the example of a virtual assistant based in Ohio. She works with 3 small business owners remotely. Her daily tasks include managing emails, scheduling meetings, preparing short reports, and updating documents. In the past, this work would easily take 6 to 7 hours a day. Now, with AI, she finishes everything in 3 to 4 hours. Email replies are drafted with AI and then lightly edited. Meeting summaries are generated from raw notes. Reports are summarized in clear language using AI tools. Her clients think she is extremely efficient, and she gets paid for the value she provides, not the hours she saves. This is a pattern you'll see again and again. Americans are using AI to compress time. When time compresses, opportunities expand. That extra time can be used to take more clients, learn new skills, or simply enjoy life. And that balance is a big reason why freelancing with AI feels attractive. On Fiverr, many American sellers build very specific services instead of offering everything. For example, instead of saying I do content writing, they say I write LinkedIn posts for real estate agents. Or I create email newsletters for fitness coaches. AI helps them research the niche, understand the audience, and generate content ideas. Because the service is focused, clients trust them more and are willing to pay higher rates, too. Another interesting trend is how Americans use AI for creative services. Designers use AI for initial concepts, color ideas, and layouts, then finalize everything manually. Video editors use AI to generate captions, remove silence, and suggest cuts. Voiceover artists even use AI to help with script refinement and pacing. The tool doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. Upwork tells a slightly different story. On Upwork, long-term contracts are more common. Americans often position themselves as ongoing partners instead of one-time freelancers. They use AI to stay consistent and reliable. A content manager working with a SaaS company might use AI to plan monthly content calendars, generate outlines, and track performance summaries. The client sees stability, and that leads to contracts lasting 6 months or even years. Now, let's talk about beginners, because this part matters a lot. Most Americans who succeed with AI freelancing did not start as experts. They started by solving small problems. They learned one platform, one service, and one workflow at a time. They didn't chase everything. A common beginner path looks like this. First, they choose one platform, like Fiverr. Second, they pick one service they can understand easily, such as writing product descriptions or managing social media comments. Third, they learn how AI can help with that specific task. That's it. No overwhelm, no confusion. What separates those who succeed from those who quit is patience. Americans who stick with freelancing understand that the first few weeks might be slow, but they keep improving their profiles, refining their gig descriptions, and responding professionally to clients. AI helps them write better descriptions, better messages, and better proposals. Slowly, momentum builds. There's also a strong focus on communication. AI can generate words, but Americans know how to make clients feel heard. They ask clear questions. They summarize client needs. They set expectations. AI helps structure these messages, but the emotional intelligence still comes from the human side. Remote jobs add another layer to this story. Many Americans apply for remote roles that don't even mention AI in the job description, but AI becomes their secret weapon. A remote customer support agent might use AI to draft polite, clear responses faster. A remote researcher might use AI to summarize long documents in minutes. Their performance looks outstanding compared to others, and that leads to promotions or contract extensions. One thing that's very important to understand is ethics and transparency. Most American freelancers don't advertise that they use AI unless asked. They focus on delivering quality. At the same time, they respect platform rules and client guidelines. They don't submit raw AI outputs, They always review, edit, and improve. This protects their reputation and ensures long-term success. Let's talk about income growth, because freelancing with AI is not just about surviving, it's about scaling. Many Americans start with small gigs, then slowly raise their prices. As reviews grow and confidence builds, they package their services. Instead of selling one blog post, they sell a content plan. Instead of one design, they sell a brand kit. AI makes it easier to handle bigger packages without burning out. Another powerful strategy is specialization over time. A freelancer might start as a general writer, then realize they enjoy writing scripts, ads, or email sequences. AI helps them practice faster and learn patterns. Over time, they become known for that one thing. That reputation leads to inbound clients, which is the dream scenario. This is where AI Income Hub fits naturally into the journey. The goal of this channel is to help you see these patterns clearly, without hype, without fear, and without unrealistic promises. AI is not magic, but it is a powerful multiplier if you use it with intention. As we move toward the end of this video, I want you to think about one thing: fear. The Americans winning with AI freelancing are not special. They didn't wait for the perfect time. They didn't wait to feel ready. They started small, stayed consistent, and adapted quickly. AI simply gave them leverage. If this video helped you see freelancing and AI in a new way, I want you to leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of freelancing or remote work interests you the most. Writing, design, virtual assistants, research, or something else? Reading your comments helps this channel grow and helps future videos match what you actually want. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who's curious about online income but feels overwhelmed by AI sometimes. One video is enough to change how someone sees their future. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to AI Income Hub. Because more practical, simple, and honest AI income content is on the way. Thank you for staying till the end. Your time matters, and I truly appreciate you being here. Now take what you've learned, think about one small step you can take, and start. That's how every real freelancing journey begins.